hidden features in Microsoft OneDrive that you need to try. Now, some of the hidden features on Microsoft OneDrive are fairly simple. The first one being is if you open the OneDrive folder on your Windows or Mac OS and you want to share a folder directly with someone, you can just right click on that folder and click on the share button or the copy link button. So if you copy the link, basically you have copied the link of this documents folder, and whenever you give access to someone for this link, as long as it is selected, anyone with the link can edit or access it, and you maybe copy the link and send this to someone, they will be able to access everything within this folder. So you can just share it directly right from your computer. Second thing is, if you click the OneDrive icon from your task manager, then what you can do is you can just go to this gear icon, which is the settings icon, and you can go to preferences. So here you can choose to download files as you use them, or download all OneDrive files directly onto your computer instantly. And you can also go to account and choose to manage your storage, unlink your current device, delete the account, and view some of the privacy settings as well. This way you can basically go ahead and then find out these features within OneDrive. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.